Okay, so in this next video I'm going to show you how best to enter in large or really small numbers using scientific notation on here. So for number 9 here you can see an electron in a cathode ray tube, a CRT, accelerates from 9,180 meters per second to 7.78 times 10 to the 6 meters per second over 0.649 centimeters. So essentially what this is I have an initial velocity, a final velocity, and a distance, and I want to figure out the time taken. So to start off any question, I always recommend to write down your initial info. So here I'm going to do my initial velocity is 9,180 meters per second. My final velocity is going to be 7.78 times 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. It's really fast. And my distance covered is 0.649 centimeters. Now this is a problem because I'm dealing with meters here and centimeters there. So I need to change this into meters, which will give me 0.00649 meters. So I divide that by 100 because there's 100 centimeters per meter. And I'm looking for my time. Okay? I'm looking for my time taken. Now, this looks scary just because the numbers are really big or really small, but it really is just like any other question. So looking here, I know my two velocities, I know my distance, I'm looking for time. I'm going to use the equation, my distance is equal to half my average velocity, so VI plus VF, all times my time taken. Okay, so here, if I rearrange to solve for time, I'll multiply both sides by 2. I'll get 2 delta D. And if I divide by this whole term here, VI plus VF, divide by VI plus VF, that will give me my time. Now I just need to sub in a bunch of numbers and work it out. So I'll put in 0.00649 meters on top, divided by, let's see, 9180 meters per second, plus 7.78 times 10 to the 6 meters per second. And you'll notice here I'm going to have meters divided by meters per second. The meters will cancel and my seconds will come up to the numerator, so I'll be left with seconds in the end. Now I have already worked this out, and my answer here is 1.668 times 10 to the negative 9 seconds. Okay, so this is really tiny. But to put that in, I don't want to put in 9 zeros before I put my number in, so I'm going to put 1.668 lowercase e negative 9, and that should give me the answer. So let me try that here. If I pull up that here, so for number 9, I should get 1.668 lowercase e negative 9, and when I submit this, oh, I misclicked there. When I submit, I am good to go. So that is a much easier way of entering in your information if you haven't already been doing that. Hopefully that helps, and good luck. Keep going. Having a little trouble hitting this